Is your closet a disaster zone? Do you struggle to find your favorite sweater amidst the clutter? Don't worry, you're not alone. Imagine starting your day feeling calm and collected, knowing exactly where to find each item you need. Get ready to say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more organized you. Let's be honest, we've all faced the frustration of a messy closet. It's a universal struggle that can make even the most organized person feel defeated. Perhaps your shelves are overflowing with clothes, making it impossible to find anything. You might have items you forgot you even owned buried under piles of disarray. These common closet challenges can leave us feeling overwhelmed and discouraged. The chaos can seep into our daily lives, affecting our mood and productivity. But don't despair. By identifying these pain points, we can begin to implement practical solutions. Simple changes can make a big difference, turning your closet from a source of stress into a space of order and calm. Let's embark on this journey of closet transformation together, one step at a time. With patience and the right strategies, we can create a functional and aesthetically pleasing closet that brings joy and efficiency to our daily routine. One of the simplest and most effective ways to maximize your closet space is to invest in space-saving hangers. These hangers are designed to take up less room, allowing you to fit more clothes into the same amount of space. These slim, velvet-coated hangers not only take up minimal space but also keep your clothes securely in place, preventing them from slipping off and ending up on the floor. The velvet texture adds a touch of luxury while being highly functional. As you make the switch to these efficient hangers, take the opportunity to assess each item of clothing in your closet. This is a perfect time to declutter and organize. Ask yourself, does this item spark joy? If it doesn't, consider letting it go with gratitude. Thank it for its service and make room for pieces that truly make you happy. This small change can instantly free up valuable rod space, making your closet look more organized and spacious. By using space-saving hangers and decluttering, you create a more functional and visually appealing closet that makes getting dressed a joy every day. Drawers can become catch-alls for all sorts of items, leading to a jumbled mess. Drawer dividers divide your drawers into neat compartments, creating designated spaces for different categories of clothing. By using drawer dividers and the KonMari folding technique, you'll transform your drawers into havens of order. Closet rod organizers can help you maximize every inch of space. These devices hang from your existing closet rod, providing extra tiers of hanging space. They're perfect for storing blouses, shirts, skirts, or even accessories like bags and scarves. By utilizing vertical space, you can create a more streamlined look. Shelves are valuable for storing folded clothes, shoes, and accessories. Shelf organizers like risers, stackable bins, and adjustable dividers maximize shelf space. By incorporating these tools, you'll transform your shelves into a symphony of order and accessibility. Don't overlook the space on the back of your closet door. Over-the-door storage solutions maximize vertical space. Use a shoe organizer for shoes and small accessories, or a hanging rack with hooks for jewelry and bags. This frees up valuable shelf and floor space while keeping frequently used items accessible. As the seasons change, our wardrobes often undergo a transformation. Vacuum seal bags offer a brilliant solution for storing off-season clothing, compressing items to free up space. Store these compressed bags in a cool, dry place until you need them again. Labels are an organizer's best friend, providing a visual cue to maintain order. Label shelves, bins, drawers, and even individual hangers with clear and concise labels. This makes it easier to put items away and maintain a sense of order in your closet. By implementing a clear labeling system, you'll always know where everything belongs. Maintaining an organized closet is an ongoing process. Schedule regular decluttering sessions to keep your wardrobe manageable. Donating or selling unwanted clothing items frees up space and gives these garments a chance to spark joy in someone else's life. The type of hangers you use can significantly impact the longevity of your clothing. It's not just about keeping your wardrobe organized, but also about preserving the quality and appearance of your garments over time. Invest in quality hangers made from sturdy materials like wood, velvet, or padded plastic. These materials are not only durable but also gentle on your clothes, preventing unwanted creases and stretching. These hangers provide better support for your clothes, helping them maintain their shape and structure. This is especially important for items like jackets, blazers, and coats that need to retain their form. Use contoured hangers for delicate blouses and dresses, as they mimic the natural shape of your shoulders, reducing stress on the fabric. Padded hangers are ideal for sweaters, as they prevent stretching and help maintain the garment's original fit. Wooden hangers are perfect for suits and heavier items, providing the necessary support to keep them looking sharp and well-fitted. By choosing the right hangers, you can ensure your wardrobe remains in top condition for years to come. Clear storage boxes allow you to see the contents at a glance, eliminating the need for rummaging. Use them to store off-season clothing, accessories or shoes, and label each box with its contents. This visual clarity makes it easier to declutter and maintain order. If you have high ceilings, maximize your vertical storage space by installing double hang rods. This doubles your hanging capacity, allowing you to store twice as many garments. Use the upper rod for shorter items and the lower rod for longer garments. For those with larger closets, a closet island is the ultimate indulgence. It provides additional storage, a surface for folding clothes, and a touch of elegance. Use the drawers for jewelry and accessories, and the shelves for handbags and shoes. Accessories often end up in a tangled mess. Dividers are essential for keeping them organized. Invest in drawer dividers specifically designed for accessories, or repurpose existing ones. By keeping your accessories organized, you'll find what you need quickly and prevent damage. Good lighting is essential in any room, including your closet. Consider installing overhead lights, track lighting, or battery-operated LED lights. Bright natural light enhances the overall ambiance and makes it easier to see your clothes. The inside of your closet door is a treasure trove of untapped storage potential. Utilize over-the-door organizers, hooks, or even a full-length mirror to maximize this space. Hang an over-the-door shoe organizer or install hooks for bags and jewelry. Rotating seasonal items frees up valuable space and makes it easier to find what you need. Pack away out-of-season clothing in labeled bins or vacuum seal bags. Store these items on higher shelves or in a separate storage area until needed. Transform your closet into a visual masterpiece by embracing color coding. Group similar colors together and arrange garments by style within each color group. Color coding creates visual harmony and makes it easier to identify gaps in your wardrobe. It's a fun way to bring personality and order to your closet. A well-organized closet is a feast for the senses, including the sense of smell. Place aromatic sachets or scented drawer liners among your clothing items. Choose scents that spark joy and create a sense of calm and serenity. Maximizing vertical space is paramount in closet organization. Consider investing in a hanging shoe organizer or suspended shelves. These solutions transform underutilized vertical space into efficient storage. Free up valuable shelf and floor real estate, creating a more spacious and organized closet. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a more organized closet. Start by implementing a few tips and gradually incorporate more as you discover what works best. Share your progress and tips in the comments, and subscribe for more inspiring home organization ideas.